Bell Law Kitchen.
Hello everyone, my name is Bello Lawal Alimat and here is Bello Kitchen. Today we'll be talking about how to make caramelized groundnuts. For this purpose we will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, a tablespoon of margarine, and 4 cups of groundnuts, peanuts. Check our other videos to learn how to roast or fry groundnuts. So on the heat, I preheated my fry pan, added my granulated sugar to caramelize it. I continue stirring the sugar until it is well caramelized, as in golden brown, until it's turned to golden brown. So after the sugar have well caramelized to liquid brown, I added a tablespoon of margarine, and I continue stirring until the butter melted in the sugar. Before starting the preparation, I have crushed my groundnuts, the peanuts. So after melting the sugar to caramelize it and the butter, after that I added the crushed peanuts, the crushed groundnuts. At this time I have reduced my heat to the lowest and continue stirring to mix all the ingredients together. Once everything is well combined, I transfer the mixture in my already greased pan. I use a 4-corner baking pan so that I can get a square or rectangular shape. I lined the pan with parchment paper, baking sheet paper. After transferring the peanut mixture in the 4-corner pan, I used my spatula to spread it to level the peanuts so that I can have a desired shape. Then I remove the parchments from the pan and place it in a flat surface where it will be easy for me to start cutting my peanuts, caramelized peanuts. And here we have my caramelized peanuts ready in different shapes. I decided to cut it in different shapes, like I have my square, my rectangular shapes and other shapes.